All right, y'all. We back in the room. We all lost our money.
Girl, you should have had this hoe downstairs. What are you talking about? We back in the room.
Why
you
all
always
lost
telling
our
me when
money?
we back?
Wait, you gave your money back to the machine?
Fuck no.
Everybody lost their money.
What the fuck?
Okay, I'm about to take a shower. I'm heading to Walmart from the casino. Back in the car from Walmart. So why this lady dropped $60? And I was a good Samaritan. I said, you dropped your money. And of course she picked it up. But that could have been my gambling money if I was a scammer.
Thank God you're not.
Yeah, I'm not a scammer. And I'm not about to block my blessings over $60. So, but yeah. Room tour. So this is the door, the mirror, the restroom. But let me show y'all. Sliding door. The sliding door. When you come in, where's the light? Tub. And then that's the curtains to the room. Bella, you're gonna get stepped on, girl. Restroom. Tub. Shower. This is the room. This is just a little coat closet. Make sure the door is locked. Bed. It's a couch.
Stop. Stop. Make me whoop you. No.
Patio.
No.
A stalker.